Hi there, my name is Manasseh Adina and I'm a Kenyan digital marketer. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what plugins are and how you can use them in your WordPress website. So let's begin. Given the codeless nature of WordPress, plugins are tools that are built to help you bring life and functionality into your website. So what this means is you get to install little miniature apps inside your WordPress website that are going to help you achieve one or two tasks depending on the kind of goal you have. So the big question is, how do I know which plugin to use? Now, there's so many variables in play and there's so many angles of looking at this, but the quickest way from where you are to where you want to go is clearly understanding what kind of a website are you building. So is it an e-commerce website? Is it a corporate website? Is it a fashion website? Is it a blog? So all these different kinds of websites have and require different kinds of plugins to be used, but all in all, there are certain key important plugins that you need to have, or I personally would advise you to start with whenever you're building a WordPress website. So in this video, I'm going to show you my 3 plugins that I always install whenever I'm building a new website. So the first one is called All-in-One WP Migration. If you guessed what WP means, it could be WordPress, who knows. So technically what this plugin does is it helps you back up and restore your website. As we go on in this journey of WordPress web development, you will discover that we're going to be using a lot of themes and a lot of templates. There's going to be a lot of exporting and a lot of importing of these themes. And so the best tool that I have used so far in import and export of WordPress themes is All-in-One WP Migration. I love it and I would recommend that you use it. So if you want to know how to install it, I'll show you quickly. You just head over to the plugins on your admin screen, and you can either click on the plugins or go straight to add a new plugin. So currently this website has no plugin, so that's why the screen is empty. But what you simply do is you click on add new plugin. Once you have done this, you will come here and search All-in-One. So I just like to do a little bit of that and let it complete the search, and this is how the plugin looks like. So what you simply do is click on install now. Depending on your internet, this could be fast or slow, but once it's done, it will require you to activate. So remember, you could install a plugin, but for as long as it's not yet activated, it won't be in use. So just click on activate. Sorry, my mouse is a little bit shaking. So just click on activate and that's it. You will notice that on the admin screen on the left panel, it automatically shows up, allowing you to either export or import and even back up your website. Good. So the next plugin that I would like to talk about is WP Forms. So WP Forms is a plugin that allows you to create or design input forms. These forms are very important, especially when you want to take in user data on your website. So pages like the contact page, if you have a call to action that requires your prospects to feed in some kind of information, a form would play a very key role in helping you achieve that, and WP Forms is a great plugin for you to use. So just like the way we installed the All-in-One plugin, you will head over to the plugins tab on the admin screen, click on add new plugin, and yeah, just do the same. Come and search WP Forms. So this you will do for every kind of plugin you wish to install. The next plugin is called, so I won't install this, I think I can, because we'll be using it in this website. So let me just go ahead and install that, and I'll also activate it once we're done. Good, that's done. Now the last plugin that I'd like to talk about, or maybe the next plugin, is Join Chat. Join Chat is a plugin that allows you to link your website to a WhatsApp account. So I don't know if you've ever seen a WhatsApp icon floating at the bottom, maybe bottom right or bottom left of a website screen. So Join Chat is a nice plugin to use if you'd like this kind of functionality. It's very insightful, and actually it helps you provide quick call to actions where your clients can quickly jump on a chat with you, and you link them straight to an existing WhatsApp account. So that's it. There are other plugins that you could check out. One of them is called WPS Hide Login. I like this plugin because technically, if you're using a WordPress website, how you access the backend of your website is by typing wp-admin at the end of your website's URL. So if your WordPress website is launched and deployed on the internet, by simply typing /wp-admin at the end of the URL, you're able to access the backend of that website. This is dangerous in terms of security because anyone can be able to penetrate your website if they have enough skills and tools to crack your username and password. So WPS Hide Login allows you to change that and put in something that's a little bit more difficult for one to access your backend. There is WordPress Yoast. This is a good one for search engine optimization. It helps you manipulate the keywords, the key phrases, the metadata, and all that. We'll be getting into this as we continue building our pages and going on through the journey. So if you wish to install any plugin and you're not quite sure on what you could do, just drop a comment at the end of this video and we can sort it out together. So in the next video, we'll be talking about what next to do. Once we have our website created, we have the right plugins to start with. The next thing would be to select a theme that we'll use for our WordPress. You can choose to build it without the theme, but it's going to be a little bit difficult. However, if you use a theme, it becomes even easier. So see you in the next video.